The P0010 code indicates a fault in the A camshaft position actuator circuit on bank 1. This actuator, also known as the camshaft solenoid or VVT solenoid, controls oil flow to adjust camshaft timing, optimizing engine performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions. Bank 1 typically refers to the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. A circuit fault disrupts timing, causing misalignment between the camshaft and crankshaft. The fault could be an open or short circuit. When the P0010 code is triggered, several symptoms may appear in your vehicle. First, the check engine light will illuminate on your dashboard. You may notice rough idling or stalling, especially when the engine is cold. Engine power and acceleration will be reduced, making the vehicle feel sluggish. Fuel economy suffers, with a potential 20 to 30% decrease in mileage. Emissions increase, often leading to failed smog tests. In severe cases, you may hear rattling noises or experience a no-start condition if the timing chain is affected. Several factors can cause a P0010 code. The most frequent cause, around 40% of cases, is a faulty actuator solenoid. Other causes include damaged or corroded wiring harnesses. Low engine oil pressure or dirty oil can also trigger the code. Clogged oil passages restrict flow to the actuator. ECM software glitches or sensor failures can cause false readings. Less commonly, timing chain wear or other mechanical failures can be the culprit. To diagnose a P0010 code, start by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the code and check for related codes like P008. Inspect the wiring with a multimeter, testing the solenoid's resistance, which is typically 6 to 10 ohms. Also, perform an oil pressure test to ensure proper oil flow. Advanced tools, such as oscilloscopes like picoscope, can be used to monitor actuator waveforms for irregularities. Basic fixes for the P0010 code start with clearing the diagnostic code and monitoring if it returns. Clear the P0010 code using an OBD2 scanner, then drive the vehicle to see if the code returns. If the code returns, inspect and replace the camshaft position solenoid. This repair is often suitable for DIY mechanics. Solenoid replacement typically costs between $50 and $150 for the part, plus labor costs. This repair is often DIY-friendly with guidance from online tutorials, such as those on the Eric the Car Guy YouTube channel, updated in 2024. Intermediate fixes for P0010 include inspecting the wiring harness for shorts, cleaning oil passages, and performing an oil change. First, inspect the wiring for shorts, damage, or corrosion that could disrupt the camshaft actuator circuit. Next, clean oil passages to remove any blockages that prevent proper oil flow to the actuator. Then, perform an oil change to ensure the engine oil is clean and at the correct pressure. Addressing these wiring and oil issues can often resolve the P0010 code if it's not directly related to a faulty solenoid. When basic and intermediate fixes don't resolve the P0010 code, advanced mechanical repairs are necessary. These involve issues like wear or failure in timing components, such as belts, chains, or pulleys. Replacing these timing components can be quite expensive, ranging from $500 to $2,000 or more, depending on the vehicle and extent of damage. Such repairs typically require specialized shop tools and professional expertise to properly diagnose and execute the work safely. Due to the complexity and risk involved, these advanced mechanical fixes are generally not suitable for DIY attempts and should be left to certified mechanics. With the rapid shift towards electric vehicles, P010 diagnoses are declining in pure EVs, but remain steady in hybrids. In hybrid vehicles, however, P0010 diagnoses stay consistent as these models still use internal combustion engines. As internal combustion engine vehicles are phased out globally, P0110 may become obsolete in new cars by the 2030s. However, expect rising P010 cases in older vehicles due to natural wear and tear, especially in high-mileage models. Innovations like AI-driven diagnostics, such as Bosch's 2025 tools, will streamline fixes and potentially reduce repair times by up to 30%. Regularly maintaining your vehicle with high-quality oil is the best way to prevent P0110 and avoid costly repairs.